Hello everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. I wanted to show y'all we are doing a reset on this little garden area right here. Hopefully onions and garlic and stuff will be ready to be planted here pretty soon. I'm just waiting for garden center to get some. I'm trying to till out all the grass that was here. Now remind y'all, this is where, scoot back, this is where all them sunflowers were. So all the sunflowers are gone, dead and gone. We're burning what's left over here. Maybe eventually I would like to expand this a little bit this way, but I'm not quite sure. Maybe next year or something, because I really need to get all of this trimmed out, and maybe some of these trees trimmed up, because they kind of do shade it quite a bit. Even see if you can see, they shade it quite a bit. So especially on this end down here. But hopefully we can get, I've been working on it all morning. Hopefully we can get it all good and tilled, and I'll scrape it all out, get any extra dead stalks from the sunflowers out. But we're doing a reset here. I'm gonna scrape out all the manure from here, so now I'll start putting rabbit manure over here to get some fertilizer in it. I was gonna put some kind of fencing around here, but I think I'm just going to let it be for now until I can figure something out. I just won't let the goats out too much. I mean, I'll probably let them out until I get something planted in here, and then they can just stay up. It ain't gonna hurt them to stay in their area anyways. But that's kind of what's happening right here. I don't really know what I'm gonna put right here just yet. It may be something, it may be nothing. I do need to get some more dirt and I guess fill that in, because it's kind of low too. I haven't really planted too much in there. I think this year I planted some sage and stuff, but I probably won't do that again. But yep, that's kind of what we got going on right now. Hopefully I can get it all done. It's a really nice day today. Actually, it's not too hot. Sun ain't out, so we're able to work comfortably outside. That's just what it is. I guess we're getting into fall, so things start changing. I am debating on, walk y'all this way. So I have been debating, and I was just doing that earlier, is, let's see if I can get you a zoom back in here. So this fence that goes along here for the goats, I'm debating on moving it back this way and just giving the goats this area and that area too. Haven't decided yet. That's a lot of moving posts and all that, and I just literally got that put up. But I am pondering on that. So there might be a change come to the homestead. These two panels that are right here, I have two panels that are right here. They typically will go this way, and then I can move one panel that I have blocked off here so they can't get out. That's going to be for the pig area, because the pig area eventually is going to go down to that red fence again, how I had the goats before. So if y'all are new here, I did have a whole bunch of goats in that area, and I sold all my goats. And then I waited a few months. It was a while whenever I waited, and then I ended up with the girls, and Juniper came along with one of them, and now we have our herd sire. So we'll see if I make that change or not, because it's going to take me a while. You know, like I say, we're slow at work, and I don't make money off of YouTube or anything like that. So this area was going to be for my garden bed, my raised garden beds that I was going to put, and then a little area right here was going to be for my greenhouse. Those are put on hold on the back burner for now, and that's fine. It's not a oh, I need to do it right now. It's not that type of situation. So once I get accumulated, working again and getting my hours again, hopefully it'll pick up, because winter's coming. We get slow because I work in the construction industry. Hopefully it'll pick back up and I can start, putting out my garden beds and such. But yep, it's kind of what we got going on. If y'all like and subscribe, just want to kind of give you a little update. Hit that notification button, hit the share button. Hopefully y'all watch the whole video. I got to get more views, apparently, is what I was told. So we're working on it. Y'all stay tuned, guys.